Welcome to use the HiMill D1S. Next, we will bring you a complete operation guide for the first use. First, prepare the cutting tools, material to be processed, 20 mm fixing screws, pressure plate. Attention! All materials and tools shown in this video are standard accessories. Next, open the MaxMakeLib software. Click either 1 or 2 to open the device connection window. Click Auto Find. Once found, click the Connect button. A pop-up window will display the homing button. Click it to return the device to its initial standby state. In this demonstration case, the processing range is approximately 40-42 m. To ensure precise processing positioning, the processing origin can be confirmed using the crosshair drawing method. Confirm the clamping position and do not exceed the horizontal line. Take out the pressure plate and 20 mm fixing screws. Place the pressure plate at a suitable position on the edge of the material. Align it with the screw holes on the workbench and tighten it to ensure firm clamping and prevent displacement. After clamping, press the material to check if it is stable. Finally, import the processing file. Click the NC button in the software. Select and import the pre-prepared file, and the system will automatically switch to the processing interface. Click the Change Tool button. The spindle will automatically move to the tool change position for easy operation. Once the spindle stops, start installing the tool. Install the 1 flute spiral and mill. Specifications 3-17515. Insert the tool into the collet with a depth of 15 mm. After proper installation, press the machine's Confirm button. Either the built-in or external button works. After confirmation, the spindle will automatically move to the tool setter position and initiate the automatic height measurement program. Once the measurement is complete, you can proceed to the next step of origin setting. Set the step size to 5 mm. Click the Move button and adjust the XYZ axis. Move the spindle directly above the workpiece center, then lower the Z-axis slowly to approach the center. Start the spindle. Adjust the step size to 1 mm and move the spindle again to get closer to the workpiece center. When the distance between the tooltip and the material is 1-2 mm, set the step size to 0.1 mm. Fine-tune the XY axis to align the tooltip precisely with the material center. Continue lowering the Z-axis slowly before the tooltip touches the material. Change the step size to 0.01 mm. Lower the Z-axis step by step. Stop moving immediately once the tooltip just touches the material surface. Click Set XYO point, then click Set ZO point to complete the origin setting. After all parameters are set, raise the Z-axis. Close the upper cover of the device to ensure processing safety. Click the Start button. On the operation interface, the system will pop up a file transfer progress window, displaying the transfer status in real time. Follow the pop-up prompts. Press and hold the device Start button to initiate machining. When the indicator light flashes orange, the spindle moves to the middle position and stops rotating, indicating that it is time to replace the second cutting tool. After the tool change is completed, briefly press the indicator light to resume machining.